Hi everyone, we're going to be doing the Boost5C video today and worksheet. Remember, we're doing the first two problems on the front side together. You're responsible for completing the back side of the worksheet and then resubmitting that assignment into Schoology. Once you submit that into Schoology, your test will unlock for you. Here we go. Match each equation to the situation that it describes. Write the equation on the line next to the situation. We have y equals 0.80x and we have y equals 80x. The first sentence says a museum curator uses 80% of the wall space in each gallery to hang pieces of art. The second sentence, a hairstylist charges $80 per customer to make and apply custom hair colors. The first thing we need to look for is percent and the money. Then we need to ask, are percent and money the same unit? No, they are not. We need to change the percent to a decimal. So how do we do that? When we multiply a number times 100, that gives you your percent. So if we have x times 100 equals 80, x would equal 0.8 or 0.80, which means the first equation goes with the first sentence and the second equation goes with the second sentence. You want to write those equations in on the blanks. The second problem says match each equation to the situation that it describes. Write the equation on the line next to the situation. The first thing we need to ask ourselves is, are all equations in the same format? Do you have percentages or money or plain numbers? Hopefully what you're noticing here, 8th graders, is that you have percentages are your decimals and your plain numbers are your numbers. So let's take care of the plain numbers first. Hopefully you're noticing that the $30 is a plain number. So y equals 30x goes with the first equation. And 70 inches on the very last one is also a plain number. So y equals 70x goes on the last one. Then we look at 70% of. We know 70% would be a decimal number. So we have to decide, is that going to be 0.30x or 0.70x? From last year, remember that the word of means to multiply. So that is why it is 0.70x. When something decreases by 70%, 30% more gets us to that 100% value. So that is why y equals 0.30x for the third problem. So when you fill in all of your numbers, this is what you should have. Go ahead and copy that in. Remember, complete the second page of your worksheet, submit it, and then you are allowed to retake your test. Please work hard and slow down and read questions entirely. Thank you.